Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over 20 years. This channel is about how we can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from this guide and you can watch the video for part 1, 2, 3, etc. And of course you can subscribe. Also we have a 2-tier affiliate program series where I recommend 2 tiers affiliate programs that I'm promoting. And I think that you can get very high commission from this 2-tier structure. Today in this video, I will go over a recurring affiliate program that I'm promoting, and we look at the GetResponse affiliate program. GetResponse is a very known company, and you can see the services like email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, and more. They start with the email marketing, but now you can see that they have a lot of products. In this video, I will focus the affiliate program of GetResponse. GetResponse have a unique affiliate program, and it gives us the choice to choose between the 2 programs. There is the affiliate recurring program and the affiliate bounty program. If we choose the recurring program, we will get a high commission every month, but if we choose the bounty program, we will get a one-time commission of $100 per sale. You can choose to sign up to both programs, but I think the recurring program is better for most the affiliate because it's a long-term structure and because of the stickiness of the email marketing service. An email marketing service, it's like a hosting service. When someone is signed up, most of the time, he will stick with the company for a long time, and most of the users don't change the company very frequently. There are more benefits for this affiliate program. There are special discounts for affiliates integrating GetResponse plans. The cookies are for 4 months, so it's very impressive. In the QA section, we can see that we can use a deep linking. So we can choose the page inside GetResponse that we want our affiliate link to direct to. When we go to the dashboard, we see at the top the 2 options of the bounty programs and the affiliate recurring program. We can get a lot of materials that will help us to promote this program. There are banners, there are text ads, and also there are videos that we can use. On the bottom of the dashboard, we can see 3 guides that GetResponse provide us. The first guide explains how we can use the dashboard of the GetResponse affiliate program. There is another guide that explains the GetResponse free plan. And there is another guide that explains how we can do affiliate optimization. Overall, I think that the GetResponse affiliate recurring program is a great program to use. And GetResponse is a great product to promote, mostly because of the long-term behavior of users that register to GetResponse services. If you're looking for ideas how to promote GetResponse affiliate program, I recommend you to go to the channel and watch the guide How to Make Money with Quora and Jasper AI. I think there are a lot of relevant information in this guide, and it can help you to get more ideas how to promote GetResponse. In the next video, I will show you another great recurring affiliate program that I'm promoting and recommend it. That's all. Thanks.